Question number 136. Miss Nitya has following balances in her electronic cash ledger as on 28th February as per GST portal. So, CGST tax, major head, minor head tax interest penalty, SGST tax interest penalty fee, and IGST tax interest penalty. This is their liability in the cash ledger. Her liability for the month of February for CGST, SGST was 75,000 each. She failed to pay the tax and contacted you as a legal advisor on 12th April to advise her as to how much tax or interest she is required to pay, if any, by utilizing the available balance to the maximum extent possible as per GST. She wants to pay tax by 20th April. Now, this is the liability of which month? February month. February month liability needs to be discharged by 20th of March. So, there is a delay. So, till 20th April. So, 20th March means, so in March you take 11 days and in April 20 days. So, 31 days. So, 75,000 into 18% into 31 divided by 365, if you see, 1,146.5, 1,147 is the interest. So, under CGST she need to pay 75,000 tax and interest 1,147, SGST 75,000 tax, 1,147 interest. Now, how much balance is there in CGST tax? 40, SGST tax 80, interest 1000, here interest 400. Okay, first we will use the balances. So, 40,000, 1,000, 80,000, 400. Okay. So, now for CGST still there is a shortfall. How much shortfall? 35,000. So, that 35,000 from where we can transfer? So, you can see here we have the 35,000 from IGST. So, 45,000 of IGST we can transfer 35,000 to CGST tax. Yes, we can do that. For that we need to file one payment form, PMT 9. PMT 9 is a payment form to transfer the balances between the cells in the electronic cash ledger. So, 45,000 we can shift to CGST tax. Out of that 45,000, 35,000 will be shifted to CGST tax. So, if that is shifted, then the CGST liability will become 0. Then interest 1,147, 1,147 we can shift from anywhere. So, even we can shift from penalty CGST also. Yes, we can shift from penalty CGST also. Anywhere we can shift. Okay. So, I have given us transfer from electronic cash ledger balance in minor head penalty. So, I shifted from penalty. From this penalty I have shifted 147. When I shifted from penalty 147, so therefore it became 0. Now, SGST you take 75,000, 80,000, that will become nil. Okay, still 5,000 balance is there. Now, interest 1,147, 400. Still for 1,147 minus 400, shortfall 747. From where we can shift? From penalty we can shift. So, 747 we can shift. Okay. So, therefore, 747 shifted from there, or we can shift it from tax also. 5,000 balance is there anywhere. So, therefore, the amount payable in cash will become 0. So, because we can shift the balances. Now, what is the revised balance after payment of tax? CGST tax will become 0 and interest will become 0. Penalty 800 minus 147, still under penalty 653 rupees will be there. Then SGST tax 5,000 will be there, 80,000, 5,000 will be there. Interest 0, penalty 1,200 minus 747, still 453 rupees will be there. IGST under tax 10,000, interest 200 rupees will be there. So, this also may be asked, after making payment what is the balance available? Okay. So, for that reason only I gave you this question. Then, yes, any cell to any cell we can shift the balances. between any major head to minor head to major head, between major heads, between minor heads, anywhere to anywhere we can shift the balances. There is no restriction. Okay, from any cell to any cell we can shift the balances. For that we need to file PMT 9. Okay.